Take it! Watch before advancing. Oh, they're already spraying over here.
Oh, now it's working. Got contact.
They're already shooting through that wall.
Sorry.
Visual! Hang on. Take them. Call your hit, dude. Oh, I got him. Good.
Hold the trigger. Damn it.
Guy in the middle. Kill confirmed.
Hey. Hold the trigger. Stop being a little girl. Working right? Yeah.
Moving up. Hit. Who was that? Was that Ricochet?
Yeah,
Was that Ricochet?
Nobody could have been hit. It's Ricochet.
Okay.
Watch this way right here.
I'm not putting my knee in that.
Right there.
Damn it.
Grim here, can you 10-9?
Hey, watch that. Tuck in.
I just saw 2,000 bands right there. See, look.
Iron Man advanced on 3.
They're shooting it. Right there.
I know.
Hey, we're gonna get hit from here.
We're gonna get hit.
We gotta move.
Watch your back.
Go! Someone watch our window here. They're gonna hit us from behind.
They're coming up through this wall here.
Hey, watch your back! Hey, watch your back!
Ricochet. Sandman, you wouldn't happen to be out already, would you?
Oh, it's, I don't know if it was a player or just someone. Take out right for the bus!
You got visual, Hunt? Someone take those barrels right there. Take those barrels. Give this guy covering fire if he moves.
Friendly right here. Don't shoot.
He's coming out in a second.
Everybody, this building is
We're gonna flank right here.
Hey, watch. I don't think we are getting we have people watching this side.
Someone watch our 6.
Yeah, there's plenty of people watching this side.
Yeah, they don't have any bands.
Aaron, watch the 6. You're gonna protect.
Oh shit, they're coming up on our 6.
Okay, yeah, friendly. Friendly, yeah.
Friendly!
Yeah, friendly. Friendly back there.
You're hit!
Kill confirmed!
You hit me.
I didn't hit you. I was aiming this way.
I know, I was over there.
I wasn't shooting at you, bud. Ask them. I just came over here. Iron Man, can you 10-9?
Put your hand up so you don't get shot. Hey, everybody watch.
I got visual on front wall.
Are you gonna have 2 rounds of this? Because I'm gonna run out of ammo.
All the way to the very end, over near the comms tower on paintball side. Copy? We need someone to get left flank.
I can't see anyone over here. I think we can move up.
What do we got in the back? Back and clear! Someone get on me! We're going to the center building! Someone on me! Someone! Anyone! You want me? Alright, we'll go into several.
We need to try and flank that guy. Kill confirmed!
I'm out of ammo! I don't have an extra mag. Does anybody have any? I don't have a mag, but I got this.
Oh, I got Todd. He's not coming out, man. Hit! Respawning!